This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to purchase GrumpyShiba tokens. Start by opening up TrustWallet. If you don't already have this app set up and downloaded, please make sure you do this first. Once inside the app, we're going to purchase Smart Chain BNB, which we'll later use to exchange for GrumpyShiba. This should be available for you to see and buy by default with any new TrustWallet account. Double check to make sure you're buying Smart Chain BNB and not regular BNB. If this is your first time using MoonPay, you will be automatically redirected to a secure authentication process to verify your identity. I was able to submit the required documents within just a couple of minutes and was verified within a few hours. Once you're verified, you can use your email to easily purchase crypto on any platform that uses MoonPay at any time with no hassle. After you place your order and your transaction is verified, it takes a couple of minutes to process. Keep this interface open until your crypto is marked as delivered. Once this is done, feel free to click Done and exit out of this menu. At this point, you should be able to see your new crypto and total balance on your main TrustWallet page simply by refreshing it. Once this is done, navigate to your preferred web browser and go to GrumpyShiba.com. Click the gold button labeled Buy on PancakeSwap. This should open up a new web page. Click the blue button labeled Connect Wallet, then click TrustWallet and tap the little Trust icon. Press Open in TrustWallet, which will automatically open your TrustWallet app, and click Connect to pair your wallet. Manually navigate back to your web browser to the Pancake Exchange page, and you should now see your wallet paired and your BNB balance displayed. If this did not work for you the first time, try connecting your wallet one more time. Enter the quantity of tokens you'd like to purchase. It may be easier to enter the amounts of BNB you'd like to spend and allow the system to automatically translate that to GrumpyShiba tokens. Once you're ready to buy, tap Swap Anyways, then OK, and finally, Open in TrustWallet again. Here, you'll see the details of your order. Once you're ready to purchase, click Confirm and complete your purchase. After your purchase is complete, refresh your main TrustWallet page and you should see your new balance reflected appropriately. The last step is to add your new token to your tokens page. Click the little filters icon at the top of the page, scroll all the way down and click Add Custom Token. Make sure you change your network to Smart Chain. Then, navigate back to GrumpyShiba.com and scroll down in order to copy the contract address. Once you have it copied, navigate back to your TrustWallet app and paste it into the first field. The rest of the fields should be automatically filled in for you. Now click Save, and you should be able to see your newly purchased tokens. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you so much for your support, and remember to stay grumpy.